Welcome to our YouTube channel One Job Discovery. The topic going look today is profit and loss. Friends, today question number 1 is Ram purchased a cow for rupees 15,800 and he sold it at a profit 2%. Find the selling price of the cow. Ram purchased a cow for rupees 15,800. There are given 4 options. Option A is 15,234. Option B is 16,116. Option C is 17,231. Option D is 18,543. Ram purchased a cow means his selling price is cost price is equal to 15,800. Cost price is equal to 15,800. Cost price is equal to 15,800. Profit percent is equal to 2%. We need to know what is selling price, right? In the question given, cost price is equal to 15,800. Profit is given 2%. We need to know what is his selling price. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, right? So selling price is equal to cost price is 15,800 plus profit is 2% of 15,800. So 2% of cost price 15,800, right? So SP will be 15,800 plus 2 by 100, because percent means by 100 of multiply and 15,800. 00 and 00 gets cancelled. So SP will be 15,800 plus 2 into 8 16, 2 into 5 and 1 16, sorry 11, 2 1 is 2 and 1 3, 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10 and 1 11, 2 1 is 2 and 1 3. So 6 1 8 plus 3 11 1 5 and 1 6 and 1. So SP is equal to 16,116, right? Cost price 15,800. Profit 2%. We need to know what is his selling price. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Cost price is 5,800. Profit is 2%. So what is 2% of 15,800? So 2% is equal to will be 316. So cost price plus profit. Cost price is 15,800 and profit is 316. So SP will be 16,116, right? So our answer is 16,116. Option B. Move to next question. Question number 2. Rahim purchased a table for rupees 650 and he sells it at 6% loss. What is the selling price of the table? Rahim purchased a table for rupees 650. So cost price is equal to 650. Loss percent is equal to 6%. And we need to know what is selling price. Our target to find what is selling price. They are given 4 options. Option A is 623. Option B is 611. Option C is 603. And option D is 597. Selling price we now in case loss. Cost price minus loss. In case profit will be cost price plus profit, but in case loss, SP is equal to CP minus loss, right? So SP is equal to cost price is 650. What is loss? Loss is 6% of 650, right? So SP is equal to 650 minus 6 by 100 into 650. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 2 5 are 10, sorry 5 2 are 10, 5 2 are 10 and 35 are 65, 2 3 are 16. So SP is equal to 650, 3 into 13 will be 39. So selling price is equal to 1, 4 minus 3 will be again 1 and 6. So selling price is equal to 611. Cost price is 650. Loss is 6%. So what is 6% of 650? 6% of 650 will be 39. So 39 is loss. So selling price will be cost price minus loss. So selling price is equal to 611. Which option is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. Move to next question. Question number 4. The cost price of an article is rupees 721 and it is sold at a loss of 15%. Find the selling price of the article. The cost price of an article rupees 720. Cost price is equal to 720 and it sold it at 15% loss. So loss percent is equal to 15%. We need to know again what is selling price. There are 4 options. Option A is 584, option B is 593, option C is 603 and option D is 612. As we know, selling price is equal to cost price in case loss, cost price minus loss, right? So selling price is equal to cost price is 720 minus loss is 15% of 720, right? So selling price is equal to 720 minus 15 by 100 into 720. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 5 3 are 15, 5 2 are 10. It will be 36 because 2 3 are 6 and 2 6 are 12. 3 into 36 will be 108. So selling price is equal to 720 minus 3 into 36, 108. So selling price is equal to 1 minute. 10 minus 8 will be 2 and 1 and 6, right? So selling price is equal to 612. See here friends, cost price is given 720, loss percent is given 15%. We need to know what is selling price, what his selling price. So selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Cost price is 720 and loss is 15%. So 720 minus 15% of 720, right? So 720 minus 15 by 100 into 720. After calculate, we found 720 minus 108, so selling price is equal to 612, right? So which option is the correct answer? Option D is the correct answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share it with your friends.